The link rods of this vehicle were damaged due to a bend in them. Hence, it had to be replaced. Link rods play a crucial role in a car's suspension system. They connect the stabilizer bar to the suspension, helping keep the vehicle balanced while driving. When you take corners or drive on uneven roads, link rods reduce body roll, improve stability, and ensure a smooth, controlled ride. It was suggested to the customer that the whole drum brake assembly had to be replaced. When our service engineers checked the vehicle, they suggested that only replacing the wheel cylinders would be the best solution for this vehicle and the customer. Wheel cylinders are a key component of the braking system, found inside drum brakes. Their job is to convert hydraulic pressure from the brake pedal into mechanical force. When you press the brakes, the wheel cylinder pushes the brake shoes outward, creating friction that slows the wheels safely and evenly. A healthy wheel cylinder ensures responsive braking, better control, and overall driving safety. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to this channel, Indianwheelosophy, and hit the bell icon, so that you are notified whenever we upload a new video.